Hello YouTube, it's Goldie and Pooh Bear, I think.
Yes,
And we took over. I think we took over. And
So the first thing, guys, I think we should do is dress up, right?
This is our first time playing this game on our parents' account, so we don't really know what to do. What's this? This face looks good. I go try dress up like me. I am yellow and a goat.
Why are you white?
I don't know. Okay,
I don't know what to do either. Okay, I have a red shirt.
I think that.
Okay, I think this shirt actually looks cool.
Okay.
I found the perfect shirt. I don't like these neon.
What's this?
Look at, I'm wearing shoes. Why do I walk like this? Why do I have a potato? Oh, I forgot.
Whoa.
I don't want this hair.
Okay, I don't.
Ow.
What do I have antlers.
I just scratched myself.
Okay, these antlers look good even though my antlers are like pagey color.
Oh, I don't want to be a squirrel. I don't want to be a squirrel. Why do I walk like this? I don't like walking like this. Holy, Cody. Holy, Cody. What does this do? Why do I
What?
look like this?
This is our first time playing, guys. So we don't really know what to do.
You already sound like a YouTuber.
I
don't think you look like one though.
Yeah, I don't. Earpods. I have so much. A knife. Somebody cut my.
Yo, yo. Yo. What it is? Boys. Yo.
I think.
I sound funny, right?
Yeah. I think we might take over the YouTube channel again, but I think our parents go. Our parents go get mad at us. So no.
If we get a lot of likes on this video, we will do it again, hopefully.
Yeah. This.
I turn bigger. Oh no, I don't want to do like that. Oh no, what happened to me?
I look funny.
I don't like it.
I think that's background noise.
No, that's me. I'm going. See?
I'm gonna search. I've seen people search. Wait. Oh no. What happened?
You had no head.
I know.
That's what happened.
I look so funny. I think this looks good.
Wait. You look so much better than me. Wait. I'm gonna beat you. I can make my
No, please.
I got all the bees around me because I'm so honey sweet.
Yeah. I think I can change my name to Goldie. Because my name is Goldie.
I don't. Well, my mommy said don't delete anything from my things because I was very hard. But she didn't say I can add anything.
Add something like Pooh.
I have a son.
You're Pooh Bear, so add your name to Pooh, Peachy Squaw, whatever that says. Oh, what is even this place? There's a yellow tree.
Okay. Oh no, I can only wear 5 hats. I want more hats. Whatever.
Oh, whatever. I'm gonna put on another
I
hair.
can't see really.
That one.
I'm gonna put 2 hairs.
That one.
Ooh, look at me. I think I actually look super cute. I think this is gonna be a new look.
I know. Okay,
It's a ponytail.
I know.
hair down.
Okay. What is this
Did you
place?
hear that you can save your outfit?
Save outfit? What's that pickaxe? I'm gonna name it.
Money.
I'm gonna name it Goldie.
Okay, spell my name now. Okay, save.
I saved it.
Ooh. Is my name hashtag?
No.
Okay,
Okay.
let's go down here. I don't know.
Pool downstairs. There's a pool.
There's a yellow one.
Really? Wow, our favorite color.
Wait,
Ah!
hold up. I can edit that
Wait,
out.
and I said turn into a baby, and then it turned me small.
Oh, I can turn all of them yellow.
Really? Do it.
Should I do them different shades of yellow?
Nah. This is our favorite shade of yellow. Who cares?
Yeah.
We love pastel yellow.
What is this one? This one looks more like honey.
Let's make one honey floaty.
Honey good.
I feel like honey is like an orange yellow color.
Whatever. It's fun. Ooh, I just found blue one. Okay, I just made them all pastel yellow. Guys, I think this is a look. I think I should have my mom wear this outfit.
Oh yeah, me too.
Especially
I think
the
I
hair.
should make my daddy wear this outfit. There's an eating area. There's a yellow chair.
Hey, no, I want that yet. Wait a
Make another yellow chair. Right here.
an idea.
What?
Hold up. Hold up. My mommy said a yellow chair is for someone.
What does this say? Join family? There's food. There's food. Whoa.
Hey, is this a bowl of honey?
Taste it.
It tastes like cheese.
Oh, yeah.
It's fine. Let's just eat it.
I made pizza.
Let's sit down.
Okay.
Wait, can we change these to be yellow? Oop, no, I don't want to sit there. Is my pizza ready? Ooh.
Ah!
Touch my pizza.
What happened to my pizza? I got burnt.
Here.
My pizza burned.
Hold up.
My pizza.
I like burnt pizza.
You want burnt pizza? Okay. Wait, what's this?
I give you a pizza.
I give you my pizza.
Yay. Pizza forever.
I think I heard about this thing on YouTube called a castle in the sky, and you can go bungee jumping and get potions.
Accept it now.
Ah.
I just burnt pizza.
Wait, I think I know how to teleport.
No, don't do it yet. I already know how to.
Okay, I go to the presents.
No, eat your food. Wait, okay, ready? 3,
Yeah.
2, 1, go.
Wait.
3, 2, 1, go. Ooh.
I think there's this thing called a propeller, my daddy said, and then you fly up. Whoa, I'm actually flying.
Wait. I'm scared. I don't like being left alone.
Where are you? 3, 2, 1, room. Let's go. I see a castle.
Let's go bungee jumping and buy a lot of things.
Is there even bungee jumping? I heard on YouTube there is, but is it true?
I think it is. I saw it once, right? And my mommy did it once because she was doing something weird by herself. And then she went bungee jumping. Well, not maybe bungee jumping, but
Wait, there's these. What's this big head potion?
I think we should both drink it.
Yeah.
Okay,
3, 2, 1.
Go.
Ah! Oh my god.
Well, I'm gonna be a baby like you.
But then I think.
What?
Wait, and then we turn into a parent and then drink it. Because I think a parent looks better.
I don't have a big head anymore.
Try to.
Okay, I buy another one.
Didn't your mom say that you were a good boy when you were wasting her money again?
Yep. Well, not really. She was mostly mad, but she was like, "You are just like mommy, spending money on things that she doesn't need." I found bungee jumping.
Wait, I think you can rope yourself before you go bungee jump.
Yeah, I did.
Okay,
Ready? Wait, we have to
Wait.
go at the same time.
we don't jump. Let's just walk out. Okay, 3,
Okay,
2, 1.
1, go. Oh,
Whoa!
early.
You went early.
Whoopsies.
I just got a friend request. I said decline.
I did, but it never declines. This is so funny. Whenever I go down, you go up. Whenever I go up, you go down. Oh, I'm about. Oh no!
What's-
Ouch!
Ow, are you okay? Wait, what is this hoverboard?
What? You got that?
Ouch! Wait,
I got a banana. Oh, I got a banana.
wait. What's this thing called on the side? Pet shop adoptions are 50% off?
Should we buy some?
Yeah.
Here, let's teleport. 3, 2, 1, teleport.
Whoa.
Whoa! Why are you leaving guys?
There's this
You
pet.
got the new pet?
It's called a kitsune.
No, it's called a kitsune.
Kitsune.
Don't say that.
I wanna unlock it.
It costs Robux.
I don't have any Robux.
An Astro Ball? What is an Astro Ball?
Uh.
I can get cockies.
What's this?
Oh, what? I think I have a trumpet.
I have a teddy bear. This looks like you, Boo.
No, that doesn't. I'm yellow.
It's
Wait,
kind.
how do you get a teddy bear?
Daddy.
Let's go around. And here, how about we go on my bike?
Yeah, you have a bike, but
No, right? That's what I said.
I thought a bike only has one seat.
Thing, and it looked like it has 2 seats.
It says you need to be an ice cream or a family.
I thought we were.
Accept. I'm in your family. Whoa.
Are you on? Let's go. Oh, I'm a bad driver. Oh, well, what the heck?
What?
Flying thing.
People flying.
I see ice cream.
Ice cream, pizza, tea.
Oh, ice cream. Let's get ice cream.
Okay.
Let's get ice cream. Are you in the ice cream shop? Ooh, I just farted.
That did smell like honey again. I go get chocolate, vanilla,
She don't have honey ice cream.
chocolate, vanilla.
What the? I'm gonna get.
Penguins! 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 I'm scared.
Vanilla, strawberry,
This penguin following me.
penguin. I love penguin. No, penguin, go away from me.
Golden! Don't run away. Golden, I'm right here. Talk. I want goldfish now. I want goldfish, please. Down behind the ice cream tub. Give me goldie fish. Yeah, I still have a big head. I'm not gonna change into a baby or else, I don't know.
It's not bad. Okay, let's go get...
Let's go get some pizza.
But we just ate pizza.
Oh yeah, let's go get some tea.
Wait, I thought we were gonna ride the bicycle.
Okay.
You silly goose.
Whoa.
What'd you do? Okay, let's go. My bacon almost didn't fit.
That's bees.
Look at this honey.
Honey? Let's go. These bees don't sting us. Let's go in here. Let's try going here.
I can't get up there.
I think that's background noise, guys. Sorry.
I can't set it there because you're too big of your heads. I can't get up there. Wait, I'm over here.
Sorry for the background noise, guys.
Okay, there's a seat. Come sit with me.
Where are you?
I'm at the same place.
Okay. I go get out my ice cream.
You didn't finish your ice cream yet?
Yum 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 yum. Yum 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 yum. Yum 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 yum
Mommy
yum.
has cotton candy
Yum, yum,
and a
yum,
whole
yum,
lot
yum.
of pizza. What? This one only has cheese.
What?
Wait a second, this has honey on it. Yum, 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 yum.
What happened? I think we end video now. Bye, guys.